breaking news. Can Bitcoin have a large reversal and avoid this mega 3-day death cross? A few days ago, we posted on Twitter, Bitcoin was aligned to avoid this death cross. What's the latest? We're going to jump right into it in today's video. It's time for you to buckle up. If you're new here, my name is Steve. I'm going to help you get one step closer to your financial freedom. Hit that subscribe button right now. 3-day death cross is something we need to avoid. It's caused absolute chaos in the past, in 2014 into 2018. It's very, very rare we have them. And we were the first one to bring it to you back in 2018. Are we on track to have it in 2022? Or are we on track with our tweet from a few days ago to potentially avoid it? That's what we're going to be getting into. But one of your biggest concerns is when to buy and when to sell. Luckily for you, we're just opening the doors to our game-changing indicator bundle. You can get 7 days for free. Indicators, buy alerts and sell alerts right to your phone, 7 days for free. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. This screen will pop up. Put in your first name, put in your email, click right here, and you're going to have it at your fingertips. Buy and sell alerts right to your phone, 7 days for free. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com right now. Back into the video. The 3-day death cross, it's horrific, okay? You can see what happened in 2018. We had a major 50% correction after that. Same in 2014. We want to avoid it. We made a video before a few weeks ago about the 3-day death cross. And luckily for all of my students, they have this indicator for free that projects out when we're going to have it, right? We put on Twitter that we were potentially avoiding it back when Bitcoin was on its rise, over 43,000, over 44,000. Now we're at just under 42,000. And I wanted to give an update, and we're also going to jump into a few other charts. Right? We're going to give an update on the MACD cross on the monthly. We're going to give an update on the stochastic RSI on the monthly. And we're going to give an update on the golden zone. But we'll start with the 3-day death cross. And we've got our projections coming. And again, just to give you an outline of the 3-day death cross, if you look at the 10-year history in Bitcoin, it's only happened 2 other times. Both times represented a second large leg down that really scared the crap out of everybody, and it was a leg down that nobody really anticipated. And we can just go back to 2018 because those of the OGs on this channel remember me vividly screaming about the 3-day death cross because at the time nobody thought we would go below 6K. Not only did we think we would go below 6K, we projected that we would have this cross and drop to the 200-week moving average. So we were relatively close on that. What's going to happen this time? Let's zoom in because again, a few days ago on the Twitters, we were projected to avoid that death cross with Bitcoin's recent rally. Today, you can see that projection has changed. Why? Because Bitcoin's price was up here, we were rallying, and it moved the moving averages accordingly. Now that we've dropped in prices, you can see we're back on schedule to have our cross potentially happen on May 25th and become official on June 3rd. So officially have a death cross on June 3rd, right on May 25th. It's going to be right in the mix of it. That's the projections as we speak right now. So what does that mean? Well, we need Bitcoin to really rally up to this green line, right? Which it's done generally in the past. Once we have support at this red line, usually we rally up to this green line, everybody gets super excited, and then that turns into a dead cat bounce, okay? And we'll see, right? In the past, we actually rallied up here back in November. We're gonna see if we have the power to rally up to this green line, get everybody excited, and then break through. But at any rate, we've never touched this red line and not gone through it, okay? In the 10-year history, we've never touched the red line and not rolled over and went through it. So we've touched the red line essentially in the middle of January, and we're going to see what happens. But our projections are the projections, the facts are the facts, and that's where the market stands right now. Again, quick update on the monthly. We had that MACD cross, And each time in history, we've only had a few of them, it's ended up devastatingly as well. You can see that after the MACD cross, we had a 50% rally back in 2018. After the MACD cross in 2019, we had a 65% rally. Both of them were dead cat bounces and we rolled over. So far, 35% rally. We're going to see how that continues. But again, stochastic RSI on the monthly, same type of story. When we drop below this 20 level, it's only happened a few other times. So basically, the larger time frames are saying, hey, this bear market, which by the way, we're in a bear market. We entered a bear market a few months ago, according to our strategy. We can take a quick look here and talk about officially when we entered a bear market, because our bear market is you have to have a death cross, which we did here on January 14th, and price action needs to be below the 200-day. So officially, we entered a bear market here on January 13th, and you can see that we actually officially entered a bear market back here in June of 2021. So all you need is a death cross and price action below the 200-day at the same time. Now we did have a golden cross back here in September, but we followed it up with another death cross, and then here we are today. Monthly charts, the higher time frames are showing signs of weakness in Bitcoin. Okay, the shorter time frames are showing a little bit of strength, right? On the 3-day, the 5-day, the 1 week, we're showing a little bit of signs of strength, but on the higher time frames, on the monthly, we're showing some problems, okay? So we got that stochastic RSI cross down here. It's only happened a few other times. And by the way, each of the times we had a rally after that, and then it was a dead cat bounce. So it got people really excited, and then the market likes to do the opposite of what everyone wants. One other thing to keep in mind is our golden zone, right? We made a whole video about it when we were down here at about 33,000, right? 33, 34,000, we made a video. We called it the golden zone. It's the best time in your life to buy Bitcoin. Anytime we enter the golden zone, which is below the Gaussian channel, it's only happened a few times where price action goes below the Gaussian channel, and that's the golden zone. That's the best time to buy Bitcoin. We made it loud and clear that 33, 34,000, that was the time to buy. Are we going to re-enter this? Potentially, and that'll be another opportunity. And like we said, basically, if you close your eyes and buy any time in this box, you're going to look like a superhero in a few years from now. So big picture, Bitcoin may have some trouble around the corner, but actually, it's pretty good news because it'll give you one of the best buying opportunities of your life. Stay level-headed. We'll keep you up to date with plenty more videos coming. So hit that subscribe button and we'll be doing some more updates. Make sure you go get your indicator, free indicator bundle for 7 days, cryptocrewuniversity.com. I'll see you right back here on the next video. Happy Valentine's Day to you and your family. There's only one question left: when to sell your cryptocurrency. Click right here, right now to find the 3 simple steps.